Good day mga kabaro. Our maintenance for today is to recondition our fuel oil, fuel bulb model MEB engine or MEB engine. So first thing to do is to remove the bolt to dismantle, and use the rubber mallet to detach the fuel bulb holder from the top end. After you disassemble, we clean and inspect some internal parts, or all internal parts we need to be inspected for any deformities, damages. Then check everything inside for the good condition. Then after we clean, we just going to prepare for the special tools using for cleaning or lapping inside here. There is the special tools using for cleaning and lapping. So after we disassemble, that is the non-return bulb, just to lap it. But if you have an new spare, just to much better to replace that one, because it is have an running hours, so it is better to have a new one. But if you don't have, you recondition it, just to lap for the smoothness and proper settings. That is the special tools using to lapping the fuel bulb, non-return bulb. And you clean. After you clean, you set it, and this is the fuel bulb top. We need it to clean it also. There's how to fit the emery clothes. This is a special tools right there. Turn it, and that's like that. Then after you check, after you clean the other side, you make it upside down to clean to the other side, and use it for another special tools for cleaning and lapping the seat inside this top cover of the fuel bulb. Then if you think it is smooth, then clean it and inspection it. So just set aside. So after we perform the lapping, we need to clean by the clean use for diesel or some kerosene to clean all the parts before we assemble. Then this is the shim used to regulate for pressure opening. That is the important one. Shim. Then if you have a new spindle guide and atomizer, just replace it for better performance. And now we are going to assemble or remove that one. Then the spring and foot piece and spindle guide, and just look for the guide one is to just align to the pin inside the holder, so it is to prevent turning the atomizer. It is important to align the guide inside we have a pin inside. Then if you think it's fixed, if you put into the vise, then assemble now. And just make it sure that have o-ring before you assemble, and just put the bolt. Then put it to the testing. Then test after you assemble, you're going to test it into the calibrating machine. Then use the torque wrench, because this have an specific torque according to the manual. Make it a specific torque for proper tightness or even tightness of the bolt. Other one is, this is a different torque. Use a torque wrench. Then after that, we are testing now the opening of our fuel valve. Connect the drain line, the return line, then check our equipment if have an oil. In the manual of this, fill the oil, light oil or low viscosity oil for testing. Then check the regulator lubricant oil on the cap. Now we are ready for testing. Okay, just put an oil. The oil is XL 15. Just fill the tank, fill the tank with the maximum level. Then after that, check the lubrication of the pump. Don't forget to fill up to the normal level. This use another oil, more than viscosity than for testing the fuel valve. Then open the air that and regulate it. First is to regulate slowly, and if you see the regulator pressure gauge, yes, like that, and operate the lever forward and reverse. You can use it multiple times, forward and reverse, just to put or the pumping the oil going to the ejector. That's that the drain continuously pumping in. Continuously operate the lever forward and reverse until you see that the return line or the drain line have a solid oil coming out. Observe it. That one, the drain. Do not attempt to regulate into a high pressure, only around 10.1. Yeah, just to wait until the oil is coming out. That one. Operate it forward in reverse. When the oil is solid, there is no air, that's a time to adjust the air, to regulate it, to increase when the solid oil is coming out. Okay, just increase the air regulator, the air pressure. Then operate it forward in reverse. That's it. So when you increases the volume or the regulator, the air increases, it's time to close it's time the fuel valve close. Then operate it forward and reverse continuously. That's one, until the fuel valve close. Then if the pressure reaches to the specific opening was in this fuel valve is 40 plus 3 minus 3. So I set it into around 39 to 40 MPa. So when you operate the lever at the reverse or forward into reverse, then each time that the valve will open. So that's it. Take